Difference between phrase and clause. What are clauses? A clause is a group of words that can act as a sentence but is not necessarily a complete sentence on its own. All clauses contain both a subject and a predicate, which always contains a verb. A predicate tells something about what the subject is doing. Some clauses can stand alone as a complete sentence, others cannot. Below are a few examples of clauses. Example 1. She danced. She is the subject. Danced is both the verb and the predicate. Even though the clause is only 2 words, it functions as an independent clause because it can stand alone as a sentence. Example 2. While she is dancing, the audience cannot tear its eyes off her. In example 2, there are actually 2 clauses. The first, while she is dancing, contains a subject, she, and a predicate, is dancing, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence, making it a dependent clause. The second clause, the audience cannot tear its eyes off her, contains a subject, the audience, and a predicate, tear its eyes off her, and because it can function as a sentence on its own, it is an independent clause. What are phrases? A phrase is a group of 2 or more words that does not have the subject and verb combination and does not form a predicate. It can contain a noun or a verb, but does not have a subject or predicate. Essentially, a phrase provides some sort of additional information or provides more context to the sentences you write. A phrase can never stand alone as a sentence. However, a phrase can nestle itself inside clauses that are either complete sentences on their own or ones that are dependent on the rest of the sentence. When a phrase is within a clause, it functions as a part of speech. Below are a few examples of a phrase. Example 3. The dance was held at the reception hall. At the reception hall is a prepositional phrase. It does not have a subject or predicate, and it cannot stand alone as a sentence. Example 2 revisited. While she is dancing, the audience cannot tear its eyes off her. In example 2 revisited, off her is a prepositional phrase that is nestled within the independent clause identified earlier. It does not contain a subject, predicate, nor can it stand alone as a sentence. Thanks for watching English Vocabulary. Please subscribe for more English tutorials videos.